Our daily lives are full of things we take for granted. We travel around in cars, buses, trains and on foot. We walk on pavements and cruise through the countryside in cars. We can do this freely because someone has provided a good foundation for movement. Someone has paved the way. Arkil is a company which has its feet firmly on the ground. The company has been a rising star ever since it was started, but it still concentrates on things to do with earth.
Vi arbejder på jorden og under jorden og i jorden. Vi laver ikke bygninger, altså sådan nogle, hvor man stavler mursten oven på hinanden. Vi har prøvet det, og vi har aldrig rigtig haft succes med det. Derfor har vi skippet det igen og koncentreret os om det, som vi synes, vi er gode til.
And there is a great deal Arkil is good at. Today, over 1,300 highly qualified employees carry out a broad spectrum of projects. The Arkil Group is a solid, competent partner that produces asphalt, builds and repairs roads, lays underground transmission cables, develops building sites, removes toxic dumps, and maintains golf courses and sports fields, just to mention some of the tasks Arkil currently carries out in Denmark and abroad. The company is based in Haderslev, Denmark, and operates 14 modern asphalt factories, 4 in Denmark, 8 in Germany and 2 in Ireland. It's one thing to pave the way, and something else to maintain it. Good roads need more than just a good foundation. They also need thorough care. Arkil Road Surfacing carefully maintains a major proportion of the Danish road network, handling everything from repairs and mowing road edges to cleaning motorway toilets and guide posts, making the road passable from one end to the other. Arkil is also involved in a Swedish factory that manufactures one of the world's most advanced systems for renovating drainage pipes, which can be installed underground without having to excavate. Whether the project is a suburban house or a large motorway bridge, the foundation has to be solid and stable. For over 35 years, Arkil Foundation has built up extensive experience in all areas of stabilized foundations. And if the damage has been done, if the house has been built on a soft base, or if the old wooden piles have rotted away, Arkil Foundation has the right method to straighten things out. Many building projects across Denmark and northern Germany, including Copenhagen Metro, are resting solidly on Arkil's expertise. Arkil's goal is the same for both large public sector clients and smaller customers. Quality requirements and deadlines must be met. Company director Niels Arkil also has a philosophy that applies to all employees in the Arkil Group.
Hvis vi graver et fortov op, og der er butikker, der ikke rigtig kan få kunder ind og ud, jamen så, om jeg så må sige, bærer vi dem over graven og hjælper dem frem og tilbage. Vi står ikke ligeglade med armene over kors og siger, det må I selv finde ud af. Han skal være åben og vågen over for, hvad der sker omkring ham, og reagere sammen med omgivelserne.
Good staff and enterprising visionary thinking have made Arkil a strong and solid working partner on large and small projects alike, in Denmark and abroad. The company began as the Over Arkil Contracting Company in a modest gravel pit in Vojens, Denmark in 1941. Gravel from the pit was converted into asphalt and used in roadworks. The big breakthrough came after the liberation from German occupation in 1945, when the founder, Over Arkil, was given the task of extending the Skridstrup Air Base.
På det tidspunkt gik det så ud på at bygge en række rullebaner og udbygge startbanen, den eksisterende startbane. Og det var, han flyttede over 1 million kubikmeter jord ude på Skrydstrup flyveplads i de år. 3, 4, 5 år. Det nu varet at få bygget alt det ud. Det siger lidt om, hvor stor en opgave det i virkeligheden var.
Skrydstrup marked the beginning of our growth, and Arkil continues to work with the airbase to maintain the runways, which launched the company, as well as many aircraft.
Der er jo altid ting, der skal vedligeholdes på sådan en plads, så vi har konstant holdt gående derude. Og det er sådan blevet en slags ægteskab.
Arkil was one of the first Danish contracting companies to get established in Germany. After the Second World War, major sections of the German infrastructure were destroyed. Our founder, Ove Arkil, immediately saw the potential in the area of asphalt. With roots in South Jutland and headquarters in Hardislev, it wasn't far to North Germany, either physically or mentally. Today, Arkil carries out a wide variety of activities in the German market, and the success has helped to give the company a boost in establishing other foreign offices. As a result, a significant proportion of the company's profit now derives from activities outside Denmark. The following decades brought many different projects and new departments in the company, which were established as new needs arose in society. Today, the Arkil Group has a strong position and is an active and competent player in all the areas it has chosen to focus on. Arkil started in a gravel pit, spread its wings at the Skrydstrup airbase, made its mark on the Danish road network, cleaned up the Danish topsoil, and remained the obvious choice for the biggest and most futuristic projects of our time. Arkil is a player that cannot be overlooked. Our goals and visions have been achieved, and the company is ready to meet the requirements of the future.
Det vi synes, vi er gode til, det laver vi selv. Har vi en meget stor opgave, hvor i der indgår ting, som vi ikke kan selv, så går vi i kompagniskab med nogen. Og hvis vi ser det under den synsvinkel, så er der en opgave, vi ikke kan klare.